Hello guys, this is video about Museum del Cacao in Quito. So let's see what we have in this museum. I was in Quito for maybe a week and a half, and now we here to show you the history of cacao. It's not just only cafe or shop. This is a big museum in the center of the Quito. You see, it's a lot of different goods which you can buy for your friends or family to keep your memories about your travel to Quito or South America in general. So here you can buy for $15 different assorties of chocolate, candies, cacao powder and coffee. Some of these candies you can buy also in other shops or supermarkets or market, but some of them just unique and only here. So you can only here buy this chocolate. My friend bought some hot chocolate to go. I don't like hot chocolate, so I'm here just to make a video. You see, it's even Galapagos blend coffee, which was raised in Galapagos. It's bread, pretty much expensive, $2.50. Some candies, some cakes. All of them are with chocolate. Chocolate, 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 and chocolate. Ice cream with chocolate. You know, I tried different kind of ice creams in Quito, and it's really different from chocolate in USA. So this is how this place looks like. It's very interesting Christmas tree with chocolate without ornaments, some hats, some dishes, and you see it's really beans, cacao beans everywhere. You can touch it, you can feel it, and some tables to make your staying here comfortable. Unfortunately, I cannot send you the smell of this place. It smells very good. It smells very chocolate. You see, it's real cacao beans everywhere, on the floor, on the containers, on the tables, near the tables. That's why it keeps here very chocolateized. On the walls you can read the history of chocolate, history of making chocolate, history of how they play the chocolate. And this is gold bean, the symbol of chocolate. So it's 2 rooms. All of them smells very chocolate. People, well, very friendly. It's in the center of Quito.